Hello, you are looking at a Crownline 2017 E2xs. This is a 2017 model, freshwater boat. It was purchased in southern New Jersey and brought right up to Lake Hopatcong. Boat has just been recently detailed. Has approximately 25 hours on the 200 Yamaha outboard engine. This boat includes the trailer. As you can see, it is in immaculate condition. There's a rear boarding ladder on the starboard side. Of course, a bimini top. I'm going to start showing you some features on the front of this boat. Underneath our small bow door, we have a bow boarding ladder. There's also an anchor with a chain and a rode in there. On the port side, we have a freshwater washdown, a shower that pulls out. As I back up, you can see the large seating area. There is a carry-off cooler underneath that front seat in the middle. Grab rails, cup holders. Both front seats have flip-up armrests that lock. As we move back, there's a bow door. Closes off the bow. If you were to close the windshield, it would block all the cold air from coming to the back cockpit. On the port side helm of this boat, there's actually a decent sized head with a pump out porta potty. There's also a sink on the port side, a vent window as you can see. We have a small glove box on the port side as well that will lock with the key. Of course, a charge port. We have a captain's chair with a bolster. This slides back and forth and rotates. Moving to the stern of the boat, we have a table that can be mounted on that, wraparound seating, another carry-off cooler, of course the driver's helm seat is also rotate, bolster, slide back and forth. We have full instrumentation with all of our switches. This boat has a Polk audio system, of course Bluetooth, AM, FM, MP3. It also has a Ray Marine GPS navigation system.